Dividing community property in California. In every divorce, the parties must go through the division of property. Division of property can be a difficult process. Sometimes a technically complicated and tedious one, and sometimes a highly emotional one. If you have read a little about divorce law, you may know that California law follows the community property model for property division. On paper, this way of conducting property division makes things easier in California than in other states. In practice, it's trickier than it appears. Most states follow a traditional model for property division, known as equitable distribution. In these states, the spouses list all their assets and debts, divide separate property from marital property, and then divide the marital property in a way that meets guidelines of fairness under state law. The Golden State is different. Instead of equitable distribution, California follows the community property model. The community property model takes all property acquired before the marriage as separate property, but almost every type of property acquired during the marriage is considered to belong equally to both spouses. In theory, community property makes the division of property easier. In theory, if everything acquired during the marriage is owned equally, then the spouses should be able to split everything 50-50 in divorce. However, in practice, property division in California is a lot more complex than it appears. Sometimes even a split down the middle could result in a settlement that would be unfair to one party. In some cases, the parties lived in another state during part of the marriage, and must figure out a way to divide their property using the two states' laws. Every marriage is unique, and every divorce raises its own peculiar issues. Property division isn't easy, and it's essential to get it right. With the help of an experienced attorney, a person going through a divorce can protect their rights and reach a settlement that will help them get a fresh start for the next chapter of their life. Contact the Cullen Family Law Group at www.cullenfamilylawgroup.com or 9517154632 for more assistance in your family law case.